The smart way to keep your food fresh longer. Samsung Digital Inverter, Frost-Free Refrigerator. It features modern design, digital inverter technology, all-around cooling system and easy slide shelf. The chic and modern design, with ergonomic recessed handle, brings refined elegance to your kitchen. Unlike the conventional compressors, Samsung's DIT compressor intuitively adjusts its speed for regulated cooling, ensuring a trouble-free, longer-lasting refrigerator. Its all-around cooling system cools the fridge evenly, from corner to corner, and maintains a constant temperature, with cold air blown out through multiple outlets, on every shelf level. The easy slide shelves are built on rolling hinges, and pull out, so they help you find and reach food easily. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Digital Inverter, Frost-Free Refrigerator.